Trevor. I am the front of house engineer for Today's the Elephant, and today I'm talking about this great piece of gear here, Phoenix Audio DRSQ4 MK2. This machine has been on loan from Phoenix Audio for the past few months, and it is a magnificent piece of equipment. I've been running it as an insert for the most part on the Digico SD10 that I've been touring with. And I've been running it currently right now. I have it on our bass player's vocal and our bass DI. And this machine here has a fixed high pass filter, which you can see I've got here on my vocal. You can attenuate the mic sensitivity and then fine tune the output level. I find that this machine is not afraid of gain. You can hit it and all you seem to keep getting is great audible tones out of it. I've also been fortunate enough to run it through copper wire using an XL4 and a few analog consoles while we were on tour in Europe. And once again, I've used it on snare drum, I've used it on bass drum, I've used it on vocals, I've used it on bass guitar, and with the onboard EQ as well, you're pretty limitless. The EQ sounds fantastic. You can add some great high end. I've pretty much dialed it back on the bass DI right now. I'm adding a little bit of sizzle on the vocal. You can crank that high end and you will not get any nasty noise out of it. You just get good crisp tone. Mic line switches on it depending on your inputs on the back of the unit. I can't say enough great things about this unit, and Robin at Phoenix Audio, great help, great to talk to. I love the language in the manual. It's very literal, and it's easy to use. Phoenix Audio.